If you've already opened your home daycare or you're about to, you might be feeling excited, but also nervous because opening your home daycare is one thing, but filling it and making it profitable, that's something completely different. According to Forbes Advisor, 20% of startups fail within the first year. And one of these reasons is because they run out of cash, particularly because their business isn't bringing in revenue. How can you, as a home daycare owner, mitigate this problem? Well, stay until the very end and I will explain how. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your first 5 clients fast without paying for expensive ads and without feeling overwhelmed. These are the exact steps that helped me grow my home daycare business successfully, and they can work for you too. Here's how. First, let me say clearly before you start making any other decisions like marketing, make sure you are ready to receive your children. That means making sure your license is complete, your policies are written, your rates are set, and your space is organized and welcome for future families. Because once families start calling, you need to be confident and prepared. Make sure you click on the link below for your free checklist on the steps that you need to do this. Now, let's talk strategy. We'll start with strategy number 1. Start with your immediate circle. Did you know that referral leads convert about 30% better than other lead sources? And customers referred by someone they trust are about 4 times more likely to buy or to buy into your business. So, with that said, your first clients will most likely come from the people who you already know. That's friends, families, people with whom you worship with, your neighbors, and former coworkers. Don't underestimate word of mouth. Share with everyone. Let them know you are almost licensed or already licensed and are enrolling children. Highlight your features and share. Make sure you keep it simple, you keep it professional, and you keep it clear. Your goal is not to convince everyone. Your goal is to create visibility. This brings us to strategy number 2. Partner with local businesses. This is powerful and highly overlooked. You want to start by introducing yourself to your local pediatric offices, dentists, your gym fitness center, libraries, real estate offices, community centers, apartment complexes, schools, pet stores, local supermarkets, and even other daycares. By doing this and bringing a small stack of business cards and or flyer, and you can even make a shirt with your business name or make a bag on it so that you can advertise while introducing yourself to businesses in your area. Start by keeping your introduction short. You might say something like, and I'll use myself as an example. Hi, my name is Denise, and I recently opened a licensed home daycare in the area. And I wanted to leave you my information in case families are asking for childcare referrals. Just like that. You want to be professional, be confident, and be friendly, and not to mention be brief. These partnerships will create a referral stream. And as referrals convert much faster than cold leads. So make certain to send them a thank you note if they refer someone to you. You can also advertise their business in your home daycare as well. And these businesses already serve families. And when you connect with them, you create a support system that benefits everyone. So if you're enjoying what you're learning, like and subscribe and stay tuned to the very end of this video for the next 3 strategies. This brings us to strategy number 3. Use local Facebook groups professionally. What do I mean? Now, let's talk about social media, specifically local Facebook mom groups. Do not spam. We all know what that feels like, and we hate it. So instead, search for posts where parents are actively looking for childcare. When someone posts, does anyone know of a daycare opening? You can respond professionally by saying, hi, I am a licensed home daycare provider in your area with current openings for ages, da, 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 da. I love to connect and answer any questions you may have, and I'll send you a message. So again, something like that, short, helpful, direct, and to the point. You are solving a problem, not selling. Now, speaking of solving a problem, I would like to introduce you to my book, It's Okay to Cry. This book helps young ones communicate their feelings effectively while making new friends. And there are wonderful coping skills too. And I would like to give you a sneak peek, colors, concepts, and other things that you can learn. And the link will be provided below where you can get your copy. This brings us to strategy number 4. Make your home daycare stand out. Parents aren't just choosing childcare, they're choosing a peace of mind. So highlight what makes you different. Do you offer structured learning? Do you provide meals? Are your group sizes small? List the number of years of experience you have as well. Lead with benefits. Instead of saying, I run a daycare, say something like, I provide a structured home nurturing daycare environment that prepares children for kindergarten success. Do you see the difference? By being specific, you can win. Make sure to offer what you advertise too. If you need help with this, be sure to contact me at the link below. This brings us to our last strategy, strategy number 5. Host simple tours with confidence. Once inquiries start coming in, you should schedule tours because tours matter. Schedule by appointments. Parents decide quickly. So make sure your home smells clean, your toys are organized, your daily schedule is visible, and your parents' handbook is printed and ready for those that enroll. During the tour, be warm, be confident, also be structured. Walk them through your daily routine, your safety measures, and your policies and communication methods. And remember to ask, do you have any more questions or concerns that I can answer for you? This confidence will build trust. Now, let me give you something very important. Your first 5 clients may not happen overnight, but consistency wins. So every week you should post once about openings, respond to local inquiries, and strengthen one community connection. Momentum builds visibility. Visibility builds trust, and trust fills spots. Remember, these are the most precious possessions of your future clients, and they soon will be yours too. So remember, build trust. And here's something most new providers don't realize. Once you fill your first 3 spots, the rest will fill so fast. Why? Because parents feel safer choosing a daycare that other parents already trust. So just remember, social proof makes a difference. And now this brings us to the very end. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and click on the link to receive your free checklist because I share strategies for growing and managing a successful daycare business. And if you haven't already, watch my video on the 7 key steps to starting your home daycare. Be certain to watch it so you can build your business the right way from the beginning. Here's proof of concept. In conclusion, be the person to make a difference. Open a home daycare and reap the many rewards. Until next time,